Because every receipt and every issue is booked to a specific store, each store keeps its own running stock. So each store can be checked and accounted for on its own. From the donations menu we open warehouses. We open the main relief store, the one Grace manages. The details give the store at a glance, how many different items it holds, and the total value of the stock inside it. The stock items tab lists every item in this store. Our rice shows 60 bags on hand, the 100 we received less the 40 we issued, with the unit cost and the total value on hand. And each store can be exported as its own report. Export offers CSV or Excel, so the officer in charge can account for every good in their store. So goods are always accounted for store by store, from what comes in to what goes out, right down to what remains on the shelf.